GX460, I want to change the oil. I will show you something. The modification to the bottom pan. So I cut some hooks over there, and before to change the oil, you need to lift it up in the air to able to swing out and remove the panel. It was very hard, and with modification I don't need to lift the car at all. I just opened the 4 bolts. The stock was 12mm, but I changed the stainless one, so now it's 13. And there is 2 more on a plastic one, 10mm socket. So you lose 6 bolts, and after you're just able to slide out the panel protection one. Remove this one. This I'm missing. And this one after 1, 2. There is 2 more. So I cut these 2 hooks. That's allow me to slide it off. It was more long, so you're just able to drop it like this, and after you stay there. And you need to lift it like high up to be able to remove it. So you see, without the bottom piece, I'm able to change the oil, even not lifting the car. Now I lose the filter, it's dripping down. But I think better to little bit lift the passenger side, so you have more room to do it, to remove this panel. And oil will drain better because the drain plug on a passenger driver's side. Now it's just draining. Before cutting, you need to raise the car very high to be able to swing it and have a room over there. And you need to also remove the plastic, I think. I believe, I'm not sure about plastic, but definitely need to raise the car much more higher to be able to remove this thing. But like this, you can do no raising. The car can keep on the floor. Also, one point here, people sometimes order the wrong filter. Sometimes they order very short, like this pipe sticking out inside is wrong. It's not going to filter anything, it's just going to bypass. It's going to work, but no filtering going to be going on. So the correct one is for GX460 is A3 in the end. The mistake one, I believe, A1. There is also A6 filter, but you know, I know this one is correct one, definitely A3. I ordered from eBay, Lexus. They go in like in a 6-pack. It's very cheap. The another one, like X6, I believe, have extra part, small O-ring, but on GX460 is not accessible. You don't need it. So I stick with this one. It's definitely fine. It's same length. Must be same length. The tube must be covered like this. But one time I ordered A1 and it was short like this, like 3/4 shorter. It's wrong one. This wrench have 1 notch and 3 notches here, so you must align it. It's also, if you don't engage it fully, it still will turn, but I prefer to engage everything together. When it slowly turns, you can use it like this. You see, it's same inside. It matches, and it's not spinning, but turn it until you get it 3 or 1, then you do like final torque with it. I just use my strength on this length of the wrench, snug it up, and that's it. No crazy torque applied. In the beginning, it just go like easy. It's almost there, but you need to like see that. You see, it's going same. After that's it, you will feel it's reach. So just a little bit snug, extra. That's it. It's very hard to film like this. Now I lift my passenger side, put the jack stand. Now I have more room to open the bolt draining plug to drain the oil. I can do without jacks, but like this more comfortable and more oil will drain with the tilt of the car. It's 14 millimeters. Make sure your washer coming down with the bolt. Don't leave it there because you can put a double washer. But before you do this, you need to switch to trip A and shut down. After, hold this one and press 2 times without the brakes. Don't press the brakes. Just start button 2 times, so car will not start. Just maintenance reset will appear. I put odometer on trip A and I need to hold it. This one and press start 2 times. To reset I'm holding. Now my oil maintenance reset is done. The car takes 8 quarts, so I usually empty 1 completely. It's 5 quarts, so I need 3 more, so I usually stop on 2. I pour it in until I get here, and after I check in my dipstick, start the car, and after checking dipstick and adjusting, but usually you can go a little bit more down and it will be fine. 8 quarts.